Tucked away in the heart of Rome, hidden from the chaos of the city, lies Giardini di Palazzo Venezia, a secret garden untouched by the noise outside. The moment you step through the gates, the energy shifts. The sounds of the streets fade, replaced by the gentle rustling of palm trees and the soft trickle of a fountain. It feels like stepping into another world, a moment of peace amidst the intensity of Rome. Few seem to know about this place, making it the perfect retreat to pause, reflect, and just be. Leaving the gardens behind, the Vittoriano comes into view. But before heading there, take a detour, one that leads you through history. Take a walk towards Piazza del Campidoglio, a masterpiece designed by Michelangelo himself. This square, set high above the city, offers a different perspective of Rome, one framed by elegance and grandeur. The journey continues further behind the piazza, revealing a stunning yet often overlooked viewpoint of the Roman Forum. From here, ancient ruins stretch into the horizon, whispering stories of the empire that once stood here. Then, the Vittoriano. The Victor Emmanuel II monument is breathtaking at any time of day, but if you can, come at sunset. Standing here as the golden light washes over the building, it feels like the only way to experience it. The marble seems to change, glowing under the shifting sky. Inside, the scale of the monument is staggering. The towering columns stretch impossibly high, the intricate details capturing the weight of Italy's history. Walking through, the sunset light pierces through the gaps, creating an almost ethereal glow. No words can capture this feeling. As you descend the grand steps on the far side of the Vittoriano, the sheer magnitude of the monument looms behind you. In a city that's always alive, this moment feels different, still, almost surreal. There's no one else around you, just you, the soft glow of the sun, and Rome stretching out before you. You take a seat on the steps, letting it all sink in. The energy of the city, the weight of its history, the golden haze of the fading sun. This is why sunset is the perfect time to be here, not just for the way it transforms the monument, but for the quiet, for that feeling that for just one moment, Rome belongs to you. Stepping outside, the view of Rome unfolds in every direction. From the panoramic terrace, you can see St. Peter's Basilica, the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and even distant mountains. As the sun dips lower, the sky transforms minute by minute, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink. As night falls, venture across the river into Trastevere, a district known for its charm and authentic Roman cuisine. This is where locals come to eat, far from the tourist traps, tucked into quiet alleyways where the real magic happens. Find a family-run trattoria where they offer jugs of house wine, plates of fresh pasta, and don't forget to finish the night with the most indulgent tiramisu. And just before you call it a night, take one last look at the Vittoriano, now illuminated against the dark sky. A monument to Italy's unity and resilience, standing timeless in the heart of Rome.